Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogoween day 5. So another morning going to work. I have to say I'm actually very tired this morning. I was up late last night trying to edit my vlog. I kind of got a little far behind, so I think I might have to upload 2 to catch up. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go to work today and hopefully do more stuff after work. So I'm on my lunch break at the moment, and I just wanted to show this because I thought it was really funny. We have this very sweet client, and she always brings us stuff from her garden. Really sweet because she's an older lady, and I can tell she's like really lonely, and she just likes getting out and talking to people and stuff. So she brought us some little things from her garden. Big bag of habanero peppers that she grows. She says she loves growing them, but she does not like eating them, so she was very sweet. She brought us a big bag of these. She brought us another bag about this size about, I don't know, maybe a few weeks ago. Yeah, that was really sweet of her, and I just wanted to share that really quickly. So I'm back for work. There was a bit of traffic today driving home, so I got home a little bit later than usual, but I am so starving. I think I'm gonna have some leftovers from last night's birthday dinner, so that's gonna be really good. Okay, so I feel way better. I had some really good leftovers. I may or may not have a bite of cookie cake, but now I think I want to go back to the idea that I had talked about in one of my previous videos about making a birthday cake soap. I still haven't quite figured out how I want to make it, but I do know some of the embeds I want to make for the soaps, which is basically like the little decorative parts. So I think I'm going to work on that today and possibly make the soap tomorrow. So I'm just going to go through my soap supplies and try to pick out things that I think will look really good as little decorative things for this one. Also, these are all the soaps that I have already packaged up and ready to go. These are just a couple ones that I have. This one is all of my mini bars of soap in this box. So I have the blue raspberry one, I have the chocolate Pocky, matcha Pocky, strawberry Pocky, and these are all little freebies that I am starting to include in orders. They are what I call little soap meringues, just really cute little freebie items, and these are some of the larger bars that I have as well, all packaged up and ready to go. And then I have quite a mess here I'm working on organizing. I have a lot of decorative straws for all my soaps and just little things. These are all, not all of them, but a lot of my larger soap molds that I have accumulated, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go through these and try to figure out what I want to use for this next soap. So I didn't get to film a whole lot of talking clips yesterday, and I forgot to end the vlog last night. I literally fell asleep in my mom's bed last night in a chicken nugget coma, as my boyfriend lovingly calls it. But yeah, so we just did a lot of shopping yesterday. I filmed a couple clips at some of the places we went. We went to like a thrift store, kind of like a random discount store. We went to Marshall's, we went to Big Lots, and yeah, so we just kind of did like a whole bunch of little shopping. I got some cute stuff. I think I might have filmed some clips of the stuff that I got. That's a cute chair.
We're prepared for you, whether you're concerned you might have breast cancer or you... We care about our customers and associates while in our store or unless medical or other.
So my mom made me go to McDonald's. Okay, so all the things I got this really cute like pink Sherpa kind of fleece. I got this leather jacket. I ended up getting this little selfie ring light. I got a non-stick pan, it's a really cute color. And I got this giant container of coconut oil. So that's pretty much everything I got from my little haul. Also, I forgot to mention, I got some reusable latex gloves for soap making. I also got 2 things of makeup remover. And at the discount store, I found this for $2, which is a big box of sticker paper. So yeah, for $2, yes, please. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogoween day 5.